Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the reverse light bulb in this 2001 Ford Focus. If you need parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. First we're going to pop the hatch, use the key fob, push the button, open the hatch. Inside this rear hatch, we're going to need to take this wing nut off right here. Just grab it and twist it off. Pull that off. And I'm going to take a Phillips head screwdriver. We're going to take this Phillips head screw out. Once you pull that screw out, grab the light assembly. Just going to slide it out, just like that. We're going to disconnect this connector for the reverse light bulb. Just push down on the button, slide the connector off. Little button right there on the back side. And then grab the bulb socket, twist it to the left, and slide it out. To get the bulb out of this socket, just grab the bulb, slide it out. We'll take this bulb is a 921 bulb. We're just gonna, this is slotted like this. You wanna slide that into the socket, just like that. And we'll take the socket, line it back up. There is some little ears on the end of this socket. There's one that's a little wider, so you're gonna wanna start that one where that goes, and then twist it to the right. And then we'll slide the connector back on, lock it in place. And there's a couple of pins. This pin lines up with that hole. There's another pin that lines up with that hole. Get that in position. With that all set, we can take the screw. And tighten this down. Just snug, not too tight. It is plastic. Close the. I'm going to reinstall the wing nut. Get this lined up. Get it on there. Tighten it down. There we go.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.